The Minister of Information, Michael Makwelwet, said the government was committed to address the problems facing South Sudanese students in Zimbabwe. The minister spoke during a meeting with a delegation from South Sudanese Students Association headed by Moses Kat Monyjok in Juba on Tuesday. Minister Makwe said the Minister of Finance and Planning was directed in the last cabinet meeting to pay the required amount to resolve the matter. The president of the South Sudanese Students Association in Zimbabwe, Moses Kat, commended the government efforts in finding amicable solution to problems facing South Sudanese students under government scholarship in Zimbabwe.
We are very much grateful for his words, his kind words and encouragement in the support towards transforming South Sudan through education. Our message to our people is that let us continue to embrace peace, unity and love among ourselves. We must transform our country, and we as a student, we will stand in solidarity with the government such that we change our country. The change has to come from us, we as South Sudanese people. And we have to continue living in peace and harmony. With this knowledge that we'll gain from foreign country, we'll come and we will transform this country through industrialization and modernization. I'll give this opportunity to my friends, to my colleagues, and we are very much appreciative to the Council of Ministers, to the Minister of Higher Education, Science and Technology, Honorable Justin In, to the Minister of Finance, and to the Minister of Information, Honorable Justin Michael McQuay. He has stand in solidarity with the student.
We all know how best we can come up with a peaceful way of solving issues. I believe Zimbabwe is one of the countries that is learned, so the change that will come from Zimbabwe is going to be unique and will be significant to the people of South Sudan. Thank you to everyone on the resolution that was made by the Council of Ministers. We are all grateful.